Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in the trade on USD JPY. It is sell at 110.86. Currently $78 in profit. Market moving up a little bit on that to 110.74. But still about 12 to 13 pips away. Things looking pretty good. You know what? I'm getting straighten that out. That's what the problem was early in the video, to my boom and all this stuff. But yeah, let's take a look at the charts and see what we got going on. Entry here. Charts are moving down here. So looking pretty good on the entry. As y'all can see, this was a bit of a range in here. So I caught that and made a sell on it. It was in the uptrend. I almost got blowed out by this earlier, but still got back in this trade and winning on the downside movement. I'm scalping pretty well right now. But let's get back to the nadex platform, and I'll get back with you guys in just a moment before the trade is over. Alright guys, I'm back in here. I did fix that thing on the screen. I didn't see that earlier in my well, I noticed I watched the video, but yeah. We are in the trade 110.86 on USD That is sell. Currently at $86 in profit. Should be about at 110 in profit. Let's take a look at the chart. See how much margin we won by. Wow, great entry. Result of the trade. It's going back to retest this trend line. And boom, there we go. Price action at its best, fellas and ladies and gentlemen. So we have a winning trade, which you know that's a winning trade. Coming up 110.86, y'all seeing that? 110.86 on the chart. 110.86, there you go. Boom. Alright, let's watch this victory. See how it goes and be done. Possibly made over 150 bucks for the day. Yeah. At the 77 up there. Let's try the 77. 100. Yeah. $24. $22, excuse me. Added to that. Boom. That's what I have. 72. $172 made today on this account. Not a bad day. It's only 8 o'clock. So the account is growing. Hopefully it's over 1,200. Let's see how this thing rolls. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.